If you have manually set the time in your Samsung S25 phone and you have made it either faster or if you have made the clock slower than usual, but once your phone restarts because of the automatic update, or whenever you restart the phone, if the time always goes back to the automatic date and time, then let us see what to do. First, make sure that automatic date and time is disabled. Go to settings here, go to general management, go to date and time, and make sure that this option automatic date and time, automatic time zone, they are disabled. The next thing that you have to do is you have to lock the time zone in Samsung calendar. So go to this Samsung calendar here, tap on this menu here, go to settings, scroll down, and there is an option here, lock time zone. Enable it. So once you do these two things, the date and time should not go back to the automatic date and time if you have manually adjusted it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.